What's up? We are back, better than ever. I'm gonna start making some YouTube videos, hopefully. It's gonna be short, fast, poorly edited videos. That way I can try to get back in the rhythm of posting again on YouTube. I have a lot of people that are always asking me, hey, what are you doing, what are you doing? I don't even post my work on Facebook, Instagram, nothing no more. I've just been staying so busy. Yesterday was 1 year of me being in business for myself full time, and had a big party, everything like that. So today I'm going to be working on my personal car. We're going testing with TJ Hanson's new truck tomorrow, which he's already been out testing. We just had to add a wing. I had to get the front wheel speed sensor working right. But today I put a new alternator bracket, tensioner. I had to fix a throttle pedal problem on the car. It keeps breaking the throttle pedal, keeps throwing the pedal. So tomorrow we're going to do testing for that before we go to a big race. I can't keep the belts on the car. Also, I ordered a race wing. I've had a parachute kit for a little while. It's like a DIY kit. I'm going to put the wing on it today, hopefully, and the parachute. I'm trying to get some safety upgrades done. I'm going to eventually, in the next couple of weeks, put a bigger cage in it, upgrade it to a 10-point. It's actually only got a 4-point. It's been, mid-8s. So we've been doing a lot of no prep stuff with it. So we're going to go out tomorrow and do some testing with TJ and a couple other guys. And so this is like the intro to that video. We're going to put the wing and the parachute on, and then we're going to go test tomorrow, and that'll probably be the whole video. But I'm trying to get excited about YouTube again, start posting some cool videos of us racing and building and that type of stuff, and get to see the new truck too. I built a Duramax swap square body crew cab truck. But anyway, that's it for right now. I'm going to get a time lapse going on doing this, and then we'll go racing. Alright, well, we got the wing on. Got some adjusting to do on the trunk. The trunk's always kind of sat up a little bit. Got some adjusting to do on the latch, I guess. Because this needs to be tighter, which the old spoiler sat up like that also. But it really needs to be down. It needs to be down some more. And what's crazy to me is this wing did not come with a spill plate support, and that's just crazy to me. And also, these little 90-degree brackets right here, they all came straight. There's like 15 of them or something. That's diabolical to me. Like, if I sold a product like that, they would flip out. But it is what it is. I mean, all I had to do is bend them. But, somebody without a bender would probably have to do it in a vise or something. But I got a Bailey Industry bender over there, so that's cool. But anybody else would probably have a hard time doing it. And this is like 17-year-old me putting different spoilers on it because the car had a 67, 68 spoiler when I got it, which only made it come to here. Then I put a 69 spoiler on it, and I had to drill a different set of holes, so I have to do something with that. But for the most part, it looks pretty sick on it. It's hard to see in here. We get it outside, you'll be able to see a little better. I have a DIY parachute kit. I'm gonna try to get installed before the day is over. It's gonna weld to that bar right there. I have to do something with that hose, and there it is. It's gonna try to come out right there, but we'll see if I get it done today. I'm hoping to, but got all my supports done under the bumper. How this kit's designed to do is into the bumper, but I think it looks pretty slick. I just hate that it doesn't have a spill plate support. I have to, I looked on the internet, and there's another company that makes these same exact deals, which this company probably just buys these from that other company, and they sell a support that ties into this. So I'll probably buy that. It's like 60 bucks to get these supported and everything. But we'll get this parachute out, see if I can get it mounted if I have time. If not, then we're gonna go racing here in about 3 hours. I think it looks good. Looks pretty slick. Put some tire pressure up in that joint. Yeah, a little tire pressure to it. I'm gonna hold off on putting the wing or the parachute on it for right now. I don't have time to get that done. TJ is here to pick his truck up. Got my Camaro in the trailer, about to strap it down. Already hooked up to the square body. This is the new truck. 79 square body I've been building. Got a vintage air, Dakota digital. Still working on it, got lots to do. But it's got a LMM 09 Duramax and a 6-speed Allison. Get this thing strapped down and ready to go. I'm talking about. didn't go as planned last night. Went out and made the 2 test hits you just seen. And we were done. We're about to help TJ Hansen make another pass. Cops rolled up. I got scared. Loaded it up. Me and Julian throw the gate shut. Jennifer hopped in. We backed out. Cops were trying to flag us down, and I took off running. They pulled us over, but let us go. We didn't really do nothing wrong, but test pass went all right. Still kind of, belt's kind of acting funky. We're gonna try something different, but that's it for today, for this video. We had a pretty eventful night last night. Got lucky and didn't get to go to the jail, so we had some luck. But that's gonna be it, and do a short little video of us going and doing all that, getting the wing done, and getting some racing in, testing in. So next thing we're doing next weekend, or the weekend after next, going to a car show, then we're going to a race in North Dakota. So we're probably gonna film all that. But we will try to get another video next week. See ya.